Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm cooking a very late dinner. Well, I'm cooking some pork chops. Let me show you. Got a long pack of pork chops I got from Pete's. I'm going to bread some of them. I already put the breading in here. I used the Kentucky Colonel seasoned flour, but I added to it. Add some seasoning to it. Of course, I'm going to add my yellow mustard. And I'll be air frying. So, it's almost 8 o'clock p.m., y'all. I'll be back. I'm going to wash these chops and I'll be back. Okay, I've washed the chops. I'm going to blot them dry. Blot up this water in the bowl. And then I'm going to season them. But I will bread them. I'm not going to bread all of them and cook all of them. I think I'll just cook 2 each for us for tonight. And I'm just going to season the others. I'm going to season them all, but not cook them all. And not bread them all. Okay. Starting with the yellow mustard. It will not taste like mustard. It's almost gone. I'm using this jollof rice seasoning. This is the best I've tasted. I also used another brand. I like this the best. Of course, the breading is seasoned. Pepper. I like the meat to be seasoned, y'all. I still have a glove in here left. Let me see, I think that's some. Yeah. That ain't no gloves. Nope, not there. These dish towels. Here they are. Box full. I'm going to put a rubber band on my wrist to hold the glove on. These are the cheap gloves. And they come off my hand when I'm seasoning, when I'm smushing. One of my honeys told me to put a rubber band on my wrist to hold the glove on. And it's been working for years. I'm just going to smush this. Ouch. Throw this away. Come on now. That's going in the garbage. No, this ain't too much. Oops, that might be. Nothing on this side. Okay. Now I'm going to use my breader shaker bowl. I already got the seasoned flour in here. I'll put the link for this bowl in my description box. I like the big pork chops. Walter likes the center cuts. Like this the best. He like this. So I'll just put 2 in here for now. Shake it. Make sure the top on that good. If y'all get the bowl and use it. I want some crispy, well seasoned, breaded pork chops. Okay. I need some more shaking. That's why I only put 2 in there. I want them to be well coated. That's what I'm talking about, like that. So I'm putting these in the air fryer. I'm using my Borlebbi 10-quart air fryer. Oh yeah. Spray the grill plate as well as the chops. Shake all the excess breading off. Put it in here. Okay. Now I'm going to put his in here. He likes the center cut chops. He'll probably only eat 1. He don't eat much as I do. And don't say it shows. Please don't. Because it's only 2 center cuts in here, so that's the only one. I'll hit one. Another center cut. Put the top on, and I got how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4 left for tomorrow. Take this off. Ew. Okay. Read it nicely. Okay. Let me see how to best put this like that. Pork chops will fit in here like a puzzle. Let me see. Like that. Need some air between them. If I want to make more, I would cram them in here. That's how they look. I'm going to spray them. Okay. It's the Borlebbi air fryer. Set it for 400 degrees. 1 to 18 minutes will do it. We're gonna see. So I'll be back. I'll clean up this mess and I'll be back. Pulling this out from the wall. Putting my seasonings up. Let's see. On the where the other jollof rice seasoning is. It's good, but it ain't as good as this one. I don't know where it is. Is this it? This jerk. Okay. I'll be back. Hey y'all, I just want to show y'all my new meat thermometer. The other one had stopped working, I thought. So when I got this, I had to put the battery in it. Okay, bought the same brand I had. This is what I had and it stopped working. This was sent to me by one of my honeys a long time ago, so it worked for a long time. It's called the Therm Pro meat thermometer. I didn't know all I had to do was put a battery in it to make it work. I didn't realize it. I don't know why I didn't know it. But the differences in this is this has a light to it. It's the new one. And it has magnets on the back. So it stick to your refrigerator or wherever. So I'm going to put a battery in here so I'll have two. Very nice. Stick this in my drawer. So my chops are on the 9-minute mark, so halfway through cooking. So I'm gonna take this off and show y'all how they look. Cooking nicely. Okay, and let them keep doing what they do. This is how they look. They're done. I'm going to plate them up and I'll be right back. Okay, here's Walter's plate. Seasoned corn, collard greens, and some 2 center cut pork chops. That's what I'm eating, 2 pork chops. Sandwiches. This is going to be my thumbnail. I know I don't eat right. Eat my pork chop sandwich. Break off a piece. I got barbecue sauce on it. Ooh, it's hot, hot, hot. I cooked this for 21 minutes. It's just a little end I broke off. Hot. Crispy. Still juicy. Seasoned good. I'm going to enjoy myself. I call this comfort food. Walter likes to eat full dinner. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the evening. It's 8:34 p.m. Didn't take too long. Okay, bye y'all.